Hey everyone, so here we are on my iPhone and I got Git to work. So what I just did there was I did a Git pull. Everything else Git related works, and I just wanted to show you how I got that to work. So here I am in my blog, codeybontu.com vault. Because it's all in Git, I'm going to just delete it and pull it back down for you. All right. Okay. As you can see here, I no longer have the codeybontu.com vault. And so my solution here is actually I built an app. So this app is called Sync.md, and you can sign in with GitHub. Let's just go ahead and sign out. Sign in with GitHub with OAuth, just to get access to your repos. Okay, here I am. And then, so you're going to show your default save location. So in this particular case, you're going to want to go into on my iPhone and then find your Obsidian. So you're going to want to save it right here into your iPhone's Obsidian directory on your phone's file system. Now we'll continue. And here's where you're going to add your repo. Because you're authenticated, you can actually select from your repositories, but you can also just use a public URL if you want to do that. So in this case, let's do my.com. Add and clone repository. So clone complete. So what we just did here is we actually installed the repo to our file system. So now we have everything here on our file system. And so we should be able to see, let me close Obsidian. There we go, codeybontu.com. So here is our repo. And let's just go ahead and create a new hello sync.md. Now, if we do a commit and sync, this is actually going to fail. So you see here, Git author name and email are not set. So you still are going to need the Git community plugin. So in this case, if you don't have it, you go to community plugins, browse, search for Git. So we have it installed here. The reason we can't just use Git and you need Sync.md is because the Git community plugin does not actually pull in the .git file. So that was part of why we're using Sync.md. It literally pulls and clones like a true clone of the repository, which is not possible within Obsidian itself, even with the plugin. Now you're going to scroll down, and remember we needed our, this is just for commit history. So username on your Git server, so codeybontu, my author name, codeybontu, author email, we'll do cody@isolated.tech. I believe that's it. We can now close it. Let's try again. Commit and sync. And look at that. So remember, this was called hello sync.md. If we look into my GitHub, you can actually see here's a commit. Hello sync.md is now on GitHub. And there you have it. Now we have Git sync working. Now, if I go into my Obsidian vault here on my desktop, let's swap over to codeybontu, and we'll do a poll. And now let's find sync.md, and look, we have it here on our phone, on our computer as well. So I'll leave a link in the description for this app. Again, it's just Sync.md. One-time purchase, $5, and it should solve all of your Obsidian Git issues natively. Hope you enjoyed. Let me know if you have any questions.